Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix 403 forbidden error Hostinger. First, start by clearing your browser cache and cookies. Cache data and old cookies can sometimes conflict with the permissions of your website. Open your browser settings, go to the Privacy and Security section and clear the cache and cookies. Once done, refresh the page and check if the error is gone. If not, continue to the next step. Next, if you are using a VPN or a proxy extension in Chrome, turn it off for now. Many VPNs route your traffic through different regions or IP addresses. Some servers block those IPs for security reasons, which can trigger the 403 error. Disable the VPN or proxy, wait a few seconds, and reload your website. Another simple fix you can try is to check your website files inside Hostinger's File Manager. Log into your Hostinger account, go to Websites, then File Manager. Look for the htaccess file. If you see it, rename it to something like htaccess backup. Hostinger will create a fresh one automatically. Then reload your website to see if the issue is resolved. You should also make sure that the file permissions are correct. In File Manager, right-click on your public HTML folder and choose Permissions. Make sure files are set to 644 and folders are set to 755. Incorrect permissions can easily cause a 403 error. By following these steps, you can usually fix the 403 forbidden error without any trouble. Thanks for watching.